5 mistakes beginners make when growing a business and how to avoid them. Hi everyone, welcome back to Alpela Academy, where we help you build your dream, your business, and your life, one smart step at a time. If you're just starting a business or thinking about it, watch this video until the end, because these 5 beginner mistakes are so common and you want to avoid them from the start. Mistake number 1, no clear plan. Many people jump in and wing out, but guess what? That leads to burnout. Write down your first 30-day goal. Even if it's small, having direction will keep you focused and reduce stress. Very important. Mistake number 2, fear of failing. Fear keeps so many people stuck in learning mode forever. Take imperfect action. Tell yourself, I'm a student of success and mistakes help me grow. Very important. Mistake number 3, ignoring marketing. You can have the best product in the world, but if no one knows, it doesn't matter. That means you're not going to make a sale. Pick a platform like YouTube, IG, or TikTok and show up 3 times in a week, sharing your journey and values. Very key. Mistake number 4, giving up too early. Oh my God. Many people give up just before they could have seen the results. Commit to 90 days before quitting anything. Track your progress weekly. It builds belief. Now, I have a comprehensive step-by-step course, the blueprint of my brand new me online, the rebranding of Alpela Academy, and it's on sale. And I tell you one thing, it will help you, bring you back on track, give you topics to always have every day, and change your life forever. Click the link, it's in the comments, and go get yours now. Finally, mistake number 5, not learning new skills. Oh my God. You can't grow a business with yesterday's knowledge. Oh no, you can't. Dedicate just 30 minutes a day to learning. Watch videos like this, or pay for a new course, or join a new course like what I just told you about, or read something useful, and I tell you, it will help you to be outstanding in your field. Here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes, but successful people learn faster and keep going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Which of these 5 mistakes have you made? Let me know in the comment section. Like this video if it helped you, and share it with someone that is starting out. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Hit that bell so you always have the notification whenever I drop videos like this and more. I have got more real life business tips coming your way every week. So don't miss out. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.
Get inspired, get mentored, succeed. We'll turn your dreams into a reality. With Alpela's tools, we'll set you free. We'll set you free.